the County Assembly, the Senate, and also the National Assembly. Mr. Speaker, this is a very important petition, and I wish to request that the committee that will handle this matter acts expeditiously and communicates to this House on the way forward, because I think that is a lacuna in law which we need to deal with. But, Mr. Speaker, how I wish they looked at the issue of qualification of the Speaker holistically, and not just the issue of education qualification. There are other aspects that we will require from a Speaker. Mr. Speaker, you know that the Speaker of the House like this one, or the National Assembly or County Assembly, must be people of high integrity, people who will lead by example, and people who will protect the established traditions and norms of Parliament. And the Speaker is a key person in the House in terms of ensuring that the House, in its dealing with the people and in whatever form of work it is engaged in, ensures highest levels of integrity, believability, and of course, Mr. Speaker, ensures that the people have trust. Mr. Speaker, we have had speakers in this Parliament who have done exceptionally well, who have promoted the independence of Parliament. And I think we need to sustain that. So when the committee looks at this matter, it is important for them to look at the matter holistically. Mr. Speaker, we do not expect to have a Speaker who is supposed to be the referee and is a player at the same time. We are getting into a situation where our speakers are even putting on party colors. Our speakers are even engaged in day-to-day politics, in funerals, in harambes, in churches, and I think this country is treading on a very dangerous ground if we allow our speakers to be involved in that kind of thing. We want our speakers to be people who cannot be questionable, people when they sit on that seat, they exercise independence, they exercise trust, they exercise integrity. And I think
there is a point of order from Senator Boni Karwari.
Mr. Speaker, our standing orders are very clear that if a member wants to discuss the conduct of another member,